Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new product in, and it's the all new creative Zen Hybrid. And if you do check out their site, they're giving away 100 pairs of these free. So today's just an unboxing tutorial I'll show you. And we've got active noise cancellation, ambient mode up to 27 hours, powerful acoustics, Bluetooth 5.0. You've got your cable and works with Siri and Google. You've got your app. This is what it looks like on the back. You'll get some idea what's going on there. Your 40mm drivers, 27 hours of playtime, ambient mode, hybrid noise cancellation, and Bluetooth 5.0. So let's have a look and see what they look like. Take off this, and very nice. Okay, so this is the contents of the box. So you get your cables in here, you get your user guides and all that kind of stuff in there, and these are SXFI ready. Now I have to make sure I said that right. I did. And if you have not tried that yet, you need to try it. Pretty cool. So you get this nice drawstring bag, which we will get open, and there's nothing on the bag itself. So inside is the headphones, and we've got some gel which you put in the pocket, and here they are here. Nice finish on these as well. It's not glossy, it's a matte finish. Padding up on top. Nice cups left and right. You can see how deep they are. I'll quickly put them on. Oh god, do a nice job with the isolation when you put them on straight away, so that's pretty cool. You've got your creative logo here and here. You can see your mics. You got your up and down buttons here, another button here, ANC button here, and of course there's more mics there, and you can see pretty much what you're going to get there. You are ratchet style here with markings on them, 5 to 25. Pretty nice. So you can even them out nicely. They do fold up, which is cool for traveling. And they have got flexibility here for turning, which is good. And of course you can see there they move in and move out like that. And you can see up on top there as well what's going on. So that's pretty much what they look like out of the box there. Really nice and light, and they're fairly sturdy, no creasing, and they do a great job when you put them on straight away. And you can see what they've done this time as well. They have got some writing on the actual outside there, SXFI ready, hybrid active noise cancellation. Pretty cool. If you've not tried the headphone holography, you have to try it. Zen Hybrid, and that's pretty nice to have all that stuff written on the outside there as well. We'll give you a closer look, and it's the same on both sides. Pretty nice. And that's pretty much it and all we're allowed to show you today. So stay tuned for full review soon on techbuzzireland.com, and you can see all the parts there and what's going on with the buttons and all that kind of stuff. And that's pretty much it. Full review soon. Any questions, hit us up in the comments and we'll talk to you then.